How's it going, freedom fighters? Today we're going to go over the top 3 ways on how to make $300 every single day from anywhere in the world. But before we go through that, make sure you smash on that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified whenever I drop these knowledge bombs. But with that being said, let's get on with today's program. So if we pull up the screen right here, and as you can see, here is one of the first ways to make $300 every single day. Now, you may have seen my first video on how to make $100 every single day, but here we're going to get even more in depth so that you can scale it to the $300 a day category, all right? So what we're going to do is we're on AliExpress, and our biggest goal is to find an already passionate niche with proof that sales have already happened, okay? And that there's a lot of ways that you can do that, but for now, we're just going to focus on one. So, for example, what you want to do when you first start off with selling a product online is you need to figure out where are the passionate niches and where do they hang out, okay? So if you look into it, you know, what are some niches that have magazines? What are some niches that have personal websites? What are some niches that people have, you know, as like passion products or pets? One of the niches that I was like looking into was turtles when I first started, because why? Everyone likes freaking turtles, right? So let's try the turtle niche for now. All I got to do is type the niche in right here, and automatically, you know, I see a bunch of these cool turtle necklaces. And if you can see this, look at this, guys, 762 orders, and there's a bunch of good feedback, 492. So right here, this product is a good product to test out. Look at it. It looks pretty nice. I could see some women wearing it. You know, the fact that it's only 50 cents. Let's see if they have ePacket. They have ePacket. Okay, so guys, literally your overhead cost for this product is $2.81. You can literally sell this for $9, and if you have more social engagement, you can even sell it up to $19, okay? So this is a good product to start off with, okay? So once you have that, make sure you set up a Shopify store, which is what it is for all those that are new to this website or to this YouTube channel. You know, a Shopify store is basically an e-commerce platform for you to sell stuff and where you can actually accept payments. There's more links in the description below describing how to do that, but that's for a different video. We're just going to focus on making money for this one. So here we are in the test store. It's really simple and easy to use. All you have to do is go to the product section right here and then just type in add a product. So once we're here, all we have to do is go over to that thing right here. Let's see, turtle necklace chain. Okay, turtle necklace. And then we could actually make it a little bit more pretty. We could do boho turtle necklace, which, you know, boho is pretty cool, right? People love that. The next thing you want to do is put a description, and of course you want to make it appealing, increase demand by describing it. You could be like, love turtles, get this necklace for 50% off today only. And I'm being really lazy with the description. Actually put some effort in this, right? Because you want people to actually know what the hell they're buying. But for the sake of the video, so that I can fit more of the examples in, we're just going to do that for now. And the next thing you want to do is, of course, put in the other, some of the other like examples for here. So let's see. You want to let them know the type of metal it is. We could just copy that. And we could do the length, pendant size, some other stuff, that. And we could also do the fact that not sold in stores. Limited time offer. And for everyone that's been wondering, oh my God, it's shipping from China, isn't it going to take like a long time? You can also at the bottom type in, due to high demand, may take 2 to 3 weeks for receiving. So now people know how long it's actually going to take, and they're not going to complain when they actually buy it. And you can also put this in the post-purchase email. Of course, all we have to do is go over here. We could take this pretty little picture right here. Upload it in the images. There you go. And right now the prices are in baht because I'm actually in Thailand right now. But just for the sake of the argument, pretend this is, you know, US prices right here. You do $9.95, and then we could do compare at $19.95. Oh my God, save $10 right now if I get it. Make sure you want to make it congruent with the 50% off today only. And we'll just do save. So as you can see right here, like your store is literally ready. Like what's it been, like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and now you have a product ready to sell. All you have to do now is run some Facebook ads straight to this product, and if they buy it, all you have to do is go to the supplier, add to cart, and put in the customer email address, which will also be in the orders. So now let's go over to Facebook and let's go over an example of how to target freaking turtles, right? So now we're on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is conversions. You could do engagement, but like for now we're trying to make sales, so we'll do conversions. The name of this could be turtle necklace. Now we're pressing continue. The next thing we want to do is set up the conversion, and then purchase is definitely a good one to start off with. Sometimes it's going to be red, especially if you have a new ad account. It's fine. It should work. If it doesn't, just do an engagement campaign as shown earlier in the earlier options. And once you're here, all you got to do now is just find the specific audience, okay? So we can target, what I like doing is 25 to 65 plus first, and just type in every single page possible that you think people that would love turtles would like, okay? Because your goal is to put this freaking product in front of the people that like turtles. Well, how do you know the people that like turtles? Well, they're gonna go on Facebook and they're gonna like the pages, and it's because of that you can literally put the right product in front of the right people and actually make a sale and profit and make some money to the point where we're making $300 every single day. So we could first begin with like I love interest. Let's see, for example, I love turtle. Okay, look, there's right there. Let's think of other ones. Turtle, converses, whatever. Sea turtle oversight project. Okay, I guess there's a lot of freaking interest for turtles. Let's uncheck that box. And this is a good size to test with 250,000, right? So what you want to do is you just put in like a $5 budget, plain and simple, and make sure you go over to edit placements and you take out all of these because they're not going to be profitable, especially when you're starting off. You just want to take all of these out and just keep the feeds. And what you want to do is you want to run ads to this for around a couple of days. And my goal with this is if you don't break even within spending 2 times the amount of profit, for example, this profit would have been like $10, right? For the product, especially if you charge shipping, you could actually make a little bit more money since, ePacket and AliExpress is the one that takes care of the shipping. What you could actually do is wait that long, and if after 20 bucks is spent and you haven't profited yet, that's either one of two things. Number one, the demand is too low, or two, the product price is too high, and you just play around with that, okay? You either play around with the price, play around with the targeting for a higher demanded audience, or you can just find a different other product. And understand these interests, not all these interests are equal, okay? So someone that likes I love turtles is more broad, right? It's more general. But someone who's part of the sea turtle oversight protection, now, who's more likely to wear the necklace, right? Someone who just represents them, that they want to protect them so bad, they're going to show that they love turtles by wearing necklaces. So you always got to ask yourselves these questions when you're trying to understand the niche that you're targeting, okay? So this is number one. The second thing you can do is once you actually have a winning product, you bring it over to ClickFunnels. Now, what ClickFunnels is, it's a sales platform where it's like Shopify, but the cool thing is you can add upsells, okay? So for example, say if someone buys this necklace, they're still in the buying mode, and the more people are in the buying mode, they're more likely to buy again. So why stop selling to them if they still want to buy more? So one way you could do is go over here and type in turtle, let's say turtle pillow. That's the first thing that popped up. All right, check this out. Someone that likes turtle necklaces, do you think they're also going to get like a turtle pillow, right? That'd be freaking awesome, right? And it's $4. You could charge this for maybe $19.95. That's insane, because not only would you make the $10 profit from the necklace, but you could make an extra $10 or $20 profit on the back end before they actually finish purchasing. So that's the power of selling products with sales funnels. And the product that I use is ClickFunnels to create these funnels, and it's really, really, really simple. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So when you first start off, you have a sales page where, of course, you could just edit it right here, and the thing's going to pop up. And all you got to do is go into here, change that picture, and then change all of the information here. Maybe add some customer feedback to really increase that social awareness and that social proof, so more people would end up buying your product. That's very simple, plain and said and done. The next thing we would do is the order form. So when you run ads, okay, before you were only running it to this page, okay, this is just a one-off page. You can maybe make $10 off this. But here, notice that it sends it to the order form, and before they actually give the confirmation, they actually have another chance to sell them right here, the one-time offer. So once you're over here where you actually put in your payment, all you got to do is go to products, and you just insert how much you're going to charge it. So for example, this one's going to be $10. So you literally do the exact same thing. Go in there like the previous thing, just edit the picture in. And once the picture is in, you know, you can literally start selling it even though you've never even seen the product, okay? Because that's the beauty about drop shipping. Now, what you're gonna do, this is where the magic comes in, and especially if you wanna make $300 faster with less customers because you increase the value size of that order from that initial customer, the best thing to do is to sell them right away, and that's through the one-time offer. So remember that pillow that we found, right? This pillow right here. Well, all we would have to do is go to that upsell page, change this camera bag from my previous example to that pillow, and then go over here to the products, and you change that price for whatever it is you want to charge. And that's a cool thing, okay? So either way, both run Facebook ads to a specific page. The first one was your Shopify page where it just automatically sells it. And the second one is your ClickFunnels sales page, which once they get there, you know, the funnel does everything. Everything is automated from the back end. And at the end of the day, the moment you get your first customer running Facebook ads and just, you know, giving the right products in front of the right people, what's going to happen is they're going to give your information, you're going to get the customer information, which you could actually go to AliExpress, order it, except ship it directly to your customer and give them the tracking because you used ePacket, which is actually USPS delivery, so that they could actually track it. So everyone's a happy camper. All right, guys, so that's two ways so far. Now you're probably wondering, okay, that's cool. I also want another way that's not e-commerce related. Well, the third way that I would recommend to also make $300 every single day is even just like recommending this platform, ClickFunnels, okay? Because ClickFunnels, you can start off, it's a free trial, 14 days, definitely would recommend playing around with it. It's definitely really helpful. By the way, guys, do you want this funnel? Because you could actually get it, MikeVasile.com/product funnels, giving it to you guys for free because I'm freaking awesome. I love you, you're welcome. You can get that there. But for people that want to learn ClickFunnels, you know, Russell Brunson, the homie, the man that made ClickFunnels himself, realized that a lot of people wanted to learn how to do ClickFunnels. So what you need to do is, instead of just being a customer of ClickFunnels, which is what I would also recommend, I would also recommend promoting it to people that also need sales funnels. So think about all the people that want to learn how to make money online. Think about all the people that want to sell a physical product with an upsell funnel. So what Russell Brunson did is he created an affiliate program with this ClickFunnels software for everyone that loves ClickFunnels. So all you got to do, if you like it so much, and an example of this is if you go to MikeVasile.com/, what is it, click? Yeah, that's what it is. What's going to happen, it's going to send you to this web class right here where, you know, he's going to do all the selling for you, and he's going to be the one that if someone purchases the ClickFunnels year-long membership, right, you would actually get around $400 in commissions. If one person gets that every single day, that's around $300 plus that goes straight in your pocket. And if you want to see how it actually works, all you have to do is go to the sexy blog right here. I have ClickFunnels loaded everywhere because it's honestly a phenomenal product. I use it for everything. This, for example, right here is made from ClickFunnels. If I click on that, people who want to learn how to 3x their income in half the amount of time, the moment they put in their email address and get the ebook, in the ebook, I put a link to that web class. And that's actually how I market that to get extra commissions from ClickFunnels. And those are the three different ways, man. It's number one, Shopify, 2, ClickFunnels, and 3, through affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels because you've used it from steps 1 and steps 2. And the thing about this, guys, is when you want to make $300 a day, the biggest goal is to stay consistent with whatever works, because all these 3 works, right? You can make $300 a day in any one of these aspects. But the biggest problem that every single person has, right, that just watches these YouTube videos that want to make money online, is they spread their attention way too thin focusing on so many different aspects on how to make money. What I would recommend is choose one, stick with it, learn with it, and grow that. And when one becomes successful, that's when you could actually use that attention on other projects. But don't do all three at once, because like I said, you're gonna end up with zero. Your biggest goal is to find one of these that actually works. So hopefully this helps, guys. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification, because I love you, so you gotta show me that you love me too. And if you want more of the financial freedom resources, which are free, get them in the link in the description. And for everyone else, I'll see you guys on my blog, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Ask Mike Vestil.